Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is narration. In this we have two things, direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech means if I am talking to you directly, or if I convey my words directly to you, then that would be a direct speech. And if my words have been conveyed by any other person, that would be an indirect speech. अगर मैं बराह रास्त आपसे मुखातिब हूँ तो वो एक डायरेक्ट स्पीच है, लेकिन अगर मेरे अल्फाज किसी और शख्स के जरिए आप तक पहुँचाए जाएं तो वो एक इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहलाती है. Here I have written a sentence. She said, I like clouds in the sky. And this sentence I have separated with inverted commas. So we can say that this sentence has two parts. One is this, she said, and another is I like clouds in the sky. This part is called as in reporting speech, and this part is called reported speech. Means that this is the action that has been completed before and she is reporting. So that is a direct speech. But if we have to change it into indirect speech, what do we do then? First of all, we are going to change the verb of reporting speech according to reported speech. For example, in reporting speech, if somebody has asked, told, or said, according to this sentence, we are going to change the verb of the reporting speech. In this tense, they are saying I like clouds in the sky, which means the other person is telling us. So this is we are going to change according to this said. So that would be told. She told. So rule number 1 we have, if we have to change this indirect speech in this direct speech into indirect form, then this inverted commas are going to be replaced with that. So after omitting inverted commas, I have written that. Then we have I like clouds in the sky. If we look at this, उसने कहा मुझे आसमान पर बादल पसंद हैं. But if we are going to change it into indirect speech, then the subject of reported speech would be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. So this I would be changed into she. And one more rule we have in English, that past tense would always follow past tense. So this sentence is in present. We are going to change it into past as well. So that would be changed. She told that she liked clouds in the sky. So in this sentence, we have changed the pronoun as well as verb. First of all, we are going to learn the rules of changing pronoun. Pronouns are he, she, it, I, we, you, they. These are the pronouns that we use in English language that I am going to write down according to the persons. In first person we have I and we. Second person is you. Third person is he, she, it and they. So in narration, first person is going to change according to the subject of reporting speech, and second person is going to change according to the object of reporting speech. And if the object is not given, you may assume it by writing she said to me, and the third person would never change in the sentence. For example, here we have first person I that we have changed according to the subject. For example, the sentence would be you like clouds in the sky. So as if I have told you before that you would be changed according to the object. In this sentence, the object is not given. You may assume it by writing me. So suppose we have me over there. So you is going to be changed according to me. That would become I. So that's how you are going to change second person. If you have third person he over there, that would remain he. That would not be changed. Now we are going to learn the rules of changing verb. First rule we have, if the reported speech I am talking this part, is in present indefinite, that would be changed into past indefinite. If the reported speech is in present continuous, that would be changed into past continuous. If the reported speech is in past present perfect, that would be changed into past perfect. If we have present perfect continuous in the reported speech, that would be changed into past perfect continuous. If we have reported speech is in past indefinite, that would be changed into past perfect. And if the reported speech is in past continuous, that would be changed into past perfect continuous. These rules would only be applied if the reporting speech is in past tense. If the reporting speech is in present and future, these rules would not be applied. So dear students, these are the ultimate rules that you are going to learn to get proficiency in narration. And no matter which kind of sentence you are doing, you are going to follow the same rules of pronouns as well as verbs. Let's have a quick review. किसी से डायरेक्ट बात करना, डायरेक्ट स्पीच, किसी और के अल्फाज किसी और को जाकर बताना, that would be indirect speech. We have a sentence of direct speech. In this we have reporting speech and we have reporting speech. Reported speech would always be in inverted commas in direct speech, and in indirect speech we would omit this inverted commas and we'll be writing that. Then we have rules of changing pronoun. We have first person, second person and third person. First person would be changed according to the subject of reporting speech, and second person would be changed according to the object of reporting speech, and this third person is not going to be changed into the sentence. Then we have rules of changing verb. So these rules would be applied if the reporting speech is in past tense. If the reporting speech would be in present or in future, these rules are not going to be applied. I have written a sentence of direct speech. He said, I am unwell. This reporting speech would be changed. He told, after omitting inverted commas, we'll be writing that. I am unwell. I is a first person. According to the rule, that is going to be changed according to the subject of a reporting speech. Then that would be he. As if the verb of this reporting speech is in past, so we are going to apply the rule of changing verb as well. So this I am unwell, that is simple present. So simple present is going to change into simple past. That would become I am unwell, that would be he was unwell. So we have changed this into simple past. We have another example. They said, our teacher is on leave. So they said is going to be changed into they told. After omitting inverted comma, we are going to write down that. They told that. So are is the possessive case of we, which is first person. So according to the rule, first person is going to be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. So this our is going to be changed according to they. As if our is possessive case, so we are going to write down the possessive case of they, that would be their teacher. Now we have is on leave, so that is simple present. We are going to convert it into simple past, that would be they told that their teacher was on leave. We have one more example. She said to me, you are a lazy boy. Now here we have you, that is a second person. Said is going to be changed into told. She told me. After omitting inverted commas, I have put that. She told me that. Now we have you are a lazy boy. You is a second person. So according to the rule, we are going to change it according to the object of reporting speech. That would be I. You are a lazy boy, that is a simple present. Again we are going to change it into simple past. That would be she told me that I was a lazy boy. On page number 173, we have this exercise that you are going to complete. Here we also have words showing nearness change into words showing distance as given below, which means if they have used these words in reported speech, then that would be changed into these words. For example, this would be changed into that, here would be changed into there, today would be changed into that day, yesterday, the day before, ago, before, now, then, thus, so, tomorrow, the next day, last night, the night before. For example, in this sentence, in sentence number 3, they have used, he said to her, I live in this building. He told her, after omitting inverted commas, that I is a first person that is going to be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. He told her that he lived in that building. So this we have changed into that. But if we have universal truths like सूरज मशरिक से निकलता है, सूरज मगरिब में ग़ुरूब होता है, anything that is universally acknowledged, we are not going to change that. That would remain